Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, Pametano Dele, popular renowned prophet in Nigeria and Lagos, has come and said that the regional government will further divide Nigeria and at the same time give the weaken the federal level and make the governor more powerful. Also, it's also weaken the local government parastatals. Do you think is right with what he said? He said that's what he can see that regional government is not what we should be thinking at this moment.
Um, First is first. Nigeria is the people of Nigeria. The truth is that I mean the poor people, they are tired and they are disillusioned with Nigeria for now. The poor people are not happy in Nigeria, and democracy ordinarily should be for the people, by the people and for the people. You understand? But in Nigeria, it seems that democracy is only for the rich people, for their families and the politicians alone. So the poor people are not enjoying the basic amenities, the dividends of democracy in Nigeria. So anything that will make the poor people to feel among, to feel included, to feel that yes, democracy is working for them is what they are going to fight for. Understand? So when Adeboye he has the point of what he said, but I want to see a regional system of government. I, as a Yoruba man, let me manage my resources as a Yoruba man. Let the Igbo man, let him manage his resources as an Igbo man. Let Hausa man, let him manage his resources as an Hausa man. We have to keep deceiving ourselves that yes, we are one Nigeria and it favors this one more than this one. A Yoruba man should govern his place the way it feels that it is good for him. An Igbo man should govern his own place the way that it feels is good for him. A Hausa man should govern his own place the way that it feels is good for him. Later, you manage your own oil. If you like, waste the money, but at least your money is in your pocket. That's what I'm saying. Because you see, everyone that is the people that are complaining, they are not fools. They have seen that the country is not working for them. Nigeria is not working for them. Things are not moving well, so they are only tired of the country. You understand? So when people are not coming out to say something will divide, the country is already divided between the rich and the poor. Nigeria is already divided between the rich and the poor. I'm not talking about tribe. I'm not talking about tribe here. I'm talking about human beings, rich and poor. It's already divided. As we are standing here now, do you know how many people that have come to beg us saying that he wants to eat? Whereas another person has over like 10 million naira being put somewhere. Whereas somebody has not eaten since morning. So the country already be divided between the rich and the poor. And the poor are tired already. So now they want to see a working system that will carry everybody along in this country. That a poor man can. Okay, I don't know poor people. There are poor people outside of Nigeria. People are going to Canada, to US. There are poor people there too. But at least the poor people they have some amenities that the government subsidizing for them. As a poor person, as long as you are working, you can eat. You can send your children to school. But in Nigeria, is it like that? Do you know how many parents now that cannot send their children to school anymore? That the children now, like one man called the radio show and said, I cannot send my children to school. The only thing I have is that what my children will eat. So when you talk, so is the country itself not already divided between the poor and the rich? Nigeria is divided already. The poor and the rich. Somebody wants to send you 50 pounds.
And it's getting worse.
Yes. Somebody wants to send you 50 pounds from UK. 50 pounds. Okay. Change the money to naira. It will become a big money. That's the problem. Now somebody is not in the UK. He's not telling you that it's not easy. If it's not easy, leave the UK and come to Nigeria. And face whether it's easy or it's not easy. All this gaslighting must stop. And so it not be like that. That's what we do for UK. Leave UK and come to Nigeria and collect 5,000 salary. And face what other people are facing. You're in a place where you're in a country whereby there's constant electricity. You are gaslighting people in Nigeria. There are many businesses are packing up. That even the small and middle scale businesses now, they cannot even function. You see barbers, they are closing up. fashion designers, tailors, they are closing up. Welders cannot weld because there's no light, because of electricity. They are folding up. But you are in the UK, you are enjoying all these things. You're not telling people in Nigeria either they should keep praying to God, or they should keep praying to God, or they should be patient. Isn't that wickedness? Invoking English, they say, no, be juju be that. That's juju now. That's wickedness. You put another man in your own shoes. That's empathy. You have to feel for another man. A man of about 50 years cannot feed his children. Their wives are leaving them. Maybe there's no finance, there can't be romance. You are seeing families being separated. Someone that is staying in Ikorodu, working in Lekki, cannot even afford to go home again. He has to sleep at work for 5 days, then go home weekend. That's that. So there's already a division in the country. The poor and the rich. In one country now, they're not divisions. It's not about Yoruba, Igbo. No. It's about now the poor now and the rich people. So that's what we're talking about. And that's why we should not deceive ourselves. The greatest deceit in life is self-deceit. If somebody is deceiving you, it's better. If you are deceiving yourself, you are in trouble. So don't deceive yourself. Sit down and tell yourself the truth. Sit down and ask yourself simple questions, basic questions. In Nigeria, we can't continue like this, the way things are working like this. We have to find a working system so that it will favor the rich and the poor, not only favor the rich. But now, there are some people that if they don't go out in a day, they cannot feed. They don't go out. So that means they must go out. They don't go out in a day, they cannot feed. That's the truth. So they must go out and sleep. So every day they go out, where they are going to eat. Where somebody has, some even bury money in the, like you see them, the politicians are burying money in the like I see they are burying a human being, burying money. All the funds in the country, they are stashed abroad, building house abroad, and the citizens that are meant to serve are tired. So let us find a working system that will favor everybody. That if you are working, you will see you are going to see the impact of the work that you are doing. That's what we want to see in Nigeria. That's what we want to see. That's what everybody altogether want to see in this country. So I expect him is a prophet, but on this, even if he knows that Nigeria is not working right now, so let him tell the people in power the truth. Democracy is not being enjoyed by an average Nigerian citizen, especially the poor people. You are not enjoying anything. So if it's a regional system of government, let everybody manage their resources. I'll be very happy. I manage my own, you manage your own. If you like, you spend your money for Hajj, that's the problem. If I like, I spend all my money for education, that's my problem. If you like, let everybody manage their resources one by one. I want to see development, I want to see peace, I want to see progress, I want to see prosperity.
Let me tell you one thing that I've said, and I will continue to say it, is that there's nothing you plant in a desert land that will give you the best results. Whatever you plant in the desert land, it may germinate, but it may not bear fruit. Because Nigeria is a corrupt land, there are so many things that will make whatever system of government we bring to this country, it will not make it flourish. Corruption will not make it function well. Religious bigotry, tribalism, bigotry, it will not make any system of government to work. We practice, before oyedepo come, we have practiced monarchy system of government. We have practiced monarchy system of government. It doesn't work well. Oyedepo come, we practice in a civilian rule, a bit doesn't work. Military come, people complain. Now democracy has come again. It doesn't work. Why? Because people in democracy will not work itself. It is we that are going to make democracy work. So who are the people that will make the democracy work? The people that they don't like themselves, the selfish people, the corrupt politicians, the tribalistic bigots, the religious bigotry. All of this will not make democracy work. Democracy can work somewhere else. Go to South Africa, they are practicing democracy there. Go to UK, how old is democracy there? It has been there for long. They have not for once regret having democracy. But here in Nigeria, we are tribalism, religious bigotry, selfishness, and corruption have been the order of day. It will not make democracy work well. So there is no system of government that can actually work in Nigeria. To make matter worse, our own system of democracy is now the expensive one. We are practicing presidential system of government, a situation whereby the House of Assembly they separate, the presidency they separate. Why not go back to old parliamentary system of government that we are practicing before Obasanjo turned everything upside down in 1979? I think that by doing that one, our cost of even when we are practicing parliamentary system of government in those days, people still don't happy. Tabawa Balewa and Okotiebo. So they said that people form military coup. So unfortunately, Nigeria, I don't know where they will start. I don't know where they will start their thinking, the orientation. We have to change our orientation, our thinking. We will talk about leader. Are we not the one that produce leader? It is me and you that give back to leader. Our leader is our brother, is your brother, is my brother. They are your sisters. So as long as we still have the corrupt system on ground, there is no system of government that can work. Even if it is democracy, it will not work. It will not give us the result that we want.
So our corrupt leaders now cannot make give us that democracy that we crave for.
They cannot. The type of Nigeria democracy cannot give us what we really want. Cannot give us what we want.